What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Traxxas Mini Max 4-wheel drive truck. Now you see this thing died once again this weekend. But, you know how I expected this thing exactly, which is, you can see how much I expected this thing exactly, which I do kind of like this thing a lot because you see how much I expected this thing. And what I do like is a lot of this thing exactly, you can see. I know the body is really destroyed, you can see, because like I said, it's gonna get used no matter what, because you know how I expected this thing right here exactly, which we expected this body exactly, which I would do, which this thing will get in the body at some point in this, but as you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice, you can see, but it's definitely how much I expected this thing exactly, because you can see the brushless motor is very hot, like you can see, because you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which is it's definitely what it is exactly, you see, because the body, you can see, not so much, you can see, but it's got some damage, so you can see, you can tell, because this one's starting to crack, like you can see, because you see, but out of that, it's not that terrible in my opinion, but you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which it will get used again this weekend again. I know that because you see how much I expected this thing exactly, you can see, because I do like this thing a lot, because you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which I do kind of like this thing, because look at that, you can see how much I expected this machine is going to get used almost like quite a bit this weekend, and you know how I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. But you get to see, it definitely looks pretty much what it gets all in my opinion, you can see, because you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which is not that bad in my opinion, but you can see how much I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty much what I expected this machine exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. But if you could tell, this thing being used almost quite a bit, because even though the body was not damaged, you can see, but you could see how much I expected this thing exactly, which the back you can see is definitely got some damage, you can see, because you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which I do really wish you can see this thing get used this weekend again, so I know how much I expected this thing exactly, which I'm pretty sure you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. And even though if the body was not damaged, you can see, but you see how much I expected this thing, so let's say you get this thing will get used again on the weekend, this is the way it looks very nice on the machine.